Serum pero hindi para sa face, para sa katawan. Posible ba yon? Yes, it's possible. What's up, Vanity Friends? Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hi, my name is MJ Garcia Perez. In today's video, let's talk about body care. Okay, lagi ko nakikita sa mga content online, we are all for taking care of our skin, sa ating face, putting on serum, putting on sunscreen, brightening it, moisturizing or hydrating our skin sa ating face. But very few yung mga gumagawa ng content about body care. Alam nyo guys, they are equally important. Yung skin natin sa ating face, pati yung skin natin sa ating body, dapat pareho natin silang pinapangalagaan. Kaya nga kung mapapansin ninyo, ever since na gumawa ako ng video dito sa YouTube many years ago, palagi akong gumagawa ng content about body care, about sa mga favorite ko na lotions, favorite ko na soap, favorite ko na body scrub, and anything na nilalagay ko sa aking body, palagi ko yan sinishare sa inyo because I truly believe na dapat pinapangalagaan din po natin yung balat natin sa ating katawan. Now, I want to share with you this new technology. Would you believe guys na meron na rin palang serum para sa ating katawan? You heard it right, di ba nasanay tayo na yung mga serums ay sa face lang natin sila nilalagay? Ngayon po, nag-come up na po yung Vaseline ng Serum Burst Lotion na dedicated for our body. Actually, this is not the first time na na-feature ko itong mga serum lotions na ito because I already talked about it sa ibang social media channels ko. Pero may mga curious kasi doon, may mga comments akong nabasa na totoo daw ba na parang serum type yung lotion na to. And yes, that is true guys. Sobrang brilliant ni Vaseline kasi yung science behind it guys is they formulated this glutathione in serum lotion type para mas makapag-penetrate sila deep into our skin at ma-deliver talaga all the goodness, all the active ingredients sa skin natin. So I have here two popular variant ng glutathione guys. The first one is the Glutathione Flawless Bright Serum Burst UV Lotion. It contains GlutaGlow, which is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. It has hyaluron, which is hydrating for our skin, and pro-retinol. This one helps reduce dark spots sa ating katawan and nai-even out din niya yung skin tone natin. It also contains double UV filters for 8 times sun protection. The next one naman is the Vaseline Healthy Bright Glutathione Serum Burst Lotion in Dewy Radiance. Same thing, it contains GlutaGlow, hyaluron, tapos meron siyang 10 times active niacinamide. Grabe yun guys. Ito naman yung variant na bagay sa'yo if you want bright and glowing skin. Diba, grabe yung technology behind the Vaseline Glutathione. Alam nyo, yung lotion na to, super light niya sa skin. Serum type nga siya. Once applied on your skin, makikita mo ang bilis niya ma-absorb, hindi siya sticky, very breathable, tapos ang bango-bango pa nila. I can say na ito yung lotion na very comfortable talagang gamitin every day. So there you go guys, kung serious din kayo sa pagsi-skincare sa inyong body, you should try the Vaseline Glutathione, yung mga Serum Burst Lotion nila. They are really high quality, they are effective, and the technology behind it is brilliant.